Installing the clear token hardware on a Kenmore commercial dryer with a coin slide. This is the hardware that clear token sends you. The supplied hardware, you're going to have a set of cables, black and white, that are labeled AC power. That's obviously going to go to the 110 volts alternating current. So we're going to go ahead and locate those wires and we're going to splice into those. We located those by using our multimeter. So that's that. And then the other wires on the hardware, the other set of black and white, those are labeled hot / timer, neutral / timer. So we're going to cap the white one off with a wire nut. That one's not used. And the black one's going to go spliced into the red and blue wires, into the blue and red wires that go to this motor right here. And you can see them down there. So we're going to trace them back to this side because it's easier to work with more room. We'll splice into those. Now if you encounter an appliance where out of the timer motor you have two bundles of wires like this one here, then we're going to refer to the schematics. The schematics is going to tell us right here, coming out of the timer motor, we're going to locate the wire that goes directly to the main motor on the appliance, which in this case is the orange wire. And then we're going to locate the other wire that controls your heat or no heat selection, which in this case is the blue wire. So we're going to go ahead and splice into the orange one and the blue one. And that should do it. We'll go ahead and remove the coin slide and put everything back, and we'll kickstart it. We'll test it. Here's the finished product. After a few days of trial testing, we'll remove the coin slide on this dryer, and we'll remove the coin drop on this washer. It's all set, ready to go.